products are on the rise, and smart technologies are more widely available than ever. For many manufacturing companies, the possibility of making their products smart is already within reach. But should they jump on the bandwagon?
Companies typically have three different reactions. Some companies, they just take the leap to smart products, but with a lot of uncertainty about the added value of these products on the market. A second group of companies, well, they just ignore the evolution. But in this case, they might miss out on opportunities that their competitors successfully are seizing. A third group of companies, they just wait and see, instead of considering already today what the potential of smart products is for their business.
If a company wants to make its products smart, it will need to build up expertise in many different areas. Sirris supports companies along the different stages of their smart product development, from conceptual development to industrialization.
At the conceptual development stage, a company needs to turn their product idea into a solution concept. What are the requirements? What technologies should we choose? Is the concept feasible cost-wise? And what are the biggest risks? A lot of questions, and Sirris supports companies in finding the answers. Well, one of those companies is Halvoet. Halvoet designs and manufactures furniture for care centers. They had the idea to bring to the market a smart bed that could improve patient care and also could increase the efficiency of care. One of the smart functions desired for this smart bed is detecting the presence of a patient in the bed and passing this information to the nursing staff. How did we help? Well, first we had to check whether the idea was even feasible in the first place to use sensors in a bed to detect the presence of a person. Then, together with Halvoet, we've set up a detailed plan for a development project. In that project, Sirris investigated a potential sensor solution that could be reliable and cost-efficient, based on existing sensor technology. Also, we have looked into the entire system architecture of the entire smart bed concept, and also how this connected bed could integrate with the software at care centers. In another project, we conceived a dedicated sensor solution based on low-cost capacitive sensor electronics. The solution had to reliably detect a variety of objects in a variety of situations. Not only were we able to prove the robustness of the system, we also made it respond fast enough and in an intuitive way for a better user experience.
When developing smart products, it is critical to detect risks quickly and validate your assumptions with proof of concepts. At Sirris, we help companies with proof of concepts in several ways.
Sirris développe des démonstrateurs dans le but d'aider les entreprises à savoir comment intégrer les briques technologiques ou les technologies dans leurs produits physiques existants. À ce titre, la Valbox permet de mieux définir la configuration physique du produit connecté. Cette Valbox intègre des capteurs, des actuateurs, des modes de connectivité, une capacité de stockage, une batterie. C'est également une source d'inspiration et une base pour l'établissement de Proof of Concept. Les Proof of Concept sont très importants pour une entreprise afin de dérisquer leur projet, mais également d'appréhender les résultats tels qu'ils seront dans le Smart Product final, ou également estimer les coûts qui sont liés à la mise en place de ce nouveau Smart Product. À titre d'exemple, cette Valbox contient pas moins de 7 modes de connectivité différents qui permettent de renvoyer les données vers un smartphone ou encore vers le cloud. Grâce à ces 7 modes de connectivité, le client peut exactement voir ce qu'il peut attendre d'un mode de connectivité spécifique.
The second way that Sirris helps companies with proof of concepts is by explaining companies how they can build their smart products themselves. We do this by means of hardware and software building blocks, as in the starter kit that we developed with easy-to-use technological building blocks so that companies can build their smart product themselves, connected to the cloud and to digital services. This starter kit covers the whole technology stack, from sensor and hardware platform over embedded software platform, connectivity, cloud, data analysis, up to dashboards and digital services. Finally, we can build dedicated proof of concepts for specific companies, like Flagstone. Flagstone was looking for a flexible and widely applicable solution to get data from a variety of sensors for production machinery to a central dashboard. We helped them by first making clear the requirements they had for this product ID. And then we built a proof of concept for them, consisting of an industrial controller, an IoT platform, and open source programming software. By means of this proof of concept, Flagstone was able to convince a lead customer to go further with them.
Once a company is absolutely certain which smart product it wants to bring to market, it still has a long way to go before it is actually launched on the market. Sirris supports companies with the industrialization challenges of their proven solution concept.
So we give advice to companies on how to tackle design for production challenges in the different domains, and this can go from the physical integration of all components to the software in the cloud. Par exemple, pour une start-up active dans le monde des sports extrêmes, nous avons réalisé un packaging pour encapsuler une électronique capable d'envoyer un SOS par satellite depuis n'importe quel endroit dans le monde. Et le packaging devait être susceptible de pouvoir résister à l'eau de mer, être IP68, résister au choc et en plus le plus compact possible. Donc un autre exemple, pour une autre société, nous avons développé un design de panneaux de signalisation en plastique qui permet d'envoyer à intervalles réguliers la présence ou non du panneau sur la route et ainsi connaître l'état de la signalisation en permanence.
We also help companies to find the right partners and to make sure that they collaborate towards the desired final product. The company Lowist, for instance. Lowist installs and maintains vehicle access systems for cities. They wanted to provide their customers with a cloud-based solution to manage these systems from a web application and from a central platform that communicates with the automatic bollards. How did we do this? First, we assessed their concept, we evaluated it, and we detected a few risks. Soon, we arrived at an alternative concept. Then, we helped Lowist to involve suppliers, commercial suppliers, with the right expertise for each of the different parts to be developed. From the controller in the automatic bollard up to the web application. Then we followed up on the development and the integration by these parties to make sure that Lowist would obtain a market-ready solution according to their needs.
When it comes to making products smart, there can be challenges in many areas. Sirris supports companies as an innovation partner, from the initial idea up to industrialization.